What is up, my goblin noids? It is me, your boy Spooky G. On a Friday night, kick back at a goblin cave, ready to get my pizza on, but I'm trying to stay anabolic. I don't want to order pizza out nowhere. I don't want a traditional pizza. So what's a goblin like myself to do, you ask? Well, stay tuned, because we going to go back in my kitchen and I'm going to show you what we going to do right here in this next video. Let's get it done. I got one side done, gonna do the other one. Spread it all out all nice and evenly. If you got to, just kind of break up some pieces there. And a pro tip, if you put everything underneath the cheese, when it's in the oven, that fat is going to help cook everything a lot more evenly too, because it's going to be underneath the cheese. And it's going to heat nice and even like. So whenever I'm doing a pizza, I always put my toppings on first, starting with the vegetables, and then your protein. I got some 4-ounce chicken breasts right here that I already cooked. We're going to cook that up, get it on there, like so. Go down a straight line first, then kind of even like that, and again you notice how I'm holding my knife, so it's not going to go nowhere. Then you just kind of give it a little turn, you go straight down again, you end up with these nice little uniform cubes here. Now this is just pre-cooked chicken that all I had to do was heat it up in the microwave. I ran out but like all my other chicken breasts. I had that last night. So I kind of felt like a pizza today, but I didn't want to go with the traditional. I was feeling something a little bit more exotic. And I just went to the store and got some more barbecue sauce and stuff. So I figured, why not come on here do a little tutorial for you on my goblin noids out there watching. I know it's probably not the most exciting thing, but hey man, we staying anabolic here and we're trying to stay a little bit on the healthy side. Yeah, it's good. Wash your hands. No matter what, anytime you're dealing with chicken of any kind, especially if it's uncooked, wash your hands after you touch it. You nasty ass fucks. But seriously folks, wash your hands. Please. Instead of mozzarella, I got some fat-free Mexican style cheddar. This is going to go perfect with these two pieces that I got. Go a little sprinkle. Go a little sprinkle. Alright, y'all, into the oven she goes. The oven is preheated to 450. Let me show ya. 450. 15 minutes, y'all. In the oven they go. Woo! Stand back this some, get some smoke pearls out there. You don't want to get your little face first. Pop her in there, then you set the timer, get out. That was your Friday night barbecue chicken anabolic pizza with Spooky G here, man. It's real easy to do. Now, anytime you're having that pizza craving and you don't want to gain all those calories from an extra large from your local pizzeria, just come to this channel, man. I'm going to take care of your pizza needs here. I'm Spooky G, y'all, and that's what I do. I've been on this diet for a while. It's had its up and downs, but I'm starting to finally come to terms with it and get all the things that I need. I'm doing these videos for you guys so everybody out there can still have their own pizza and be anabolic just like the Goblin King here. So, I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm going to leave how to make it up here somewhere. Maybe over there, maybe over there, maybe over here, maybe over there, yeah, over here somewhere. So I will put in this video everything that I used and how easy it is to make. It took me about 20 minutes to make both of those little barbecue chicken pizzas. And if you figure the wait time for delivery and the amount of calories, amount of money you're going to spend on that, you might as well just go ahead and go over here. Over here, over here, over there, and check this out, and make these 2 barbecue chicken pizzas yourself. In the long run, you're going to be saving yourself a ton of time and a ton of money and a ton of calories, and it's going to be epic, y'all, because that's the only thing I do on this channel is epic anabolic recipes for you guys, because I do have a professional cook background. I do have a culinary background. I'm taking all these anabolic diet recipes and I'm kicking it up a notch for you guys out there to enjoy. So, keep on checking in with my channel. I'm going to have even more recipes coming down the pipeline here in the good old Goblin Cave. Until next time, y'all. Live to play, play to live, just play, stay entertained. Remember, I'm Spooky G, and that was my kitchen tutorial for a Friday. Peace, y'all. Have a great weekend.